I've been using YouTube TV with the military discount for the past few weeks, and honestly, I wasn't sure what to expect at first. I had heard from a friend that you could save quite a bit if you were eligible, and I was curious to see how it would actually work in practice. I've been juggling a few streaming services lately, and the idea of getting the base plan plus some extras at a discount sounded appealing, so I decided to give it a try. The setup itself was pretty straightforward, which was a nice surprise. I went through ID.me to verify my military status, and that took maybe 10 minutes overall. At first I was a little nervous because I wasn't sure what documents I'd need, but the portal walked me through it cleanly. Once I was verified, I could immediately see the discount applied to my plan. It felt like a little win, seeing the savings reflected in my account. Using the service day to day has been mostly smooth. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, and finding the shows I wanted to watch was quick. One funny thing though, I accidentally clicked through some of the NFL Sunday Ticket options and spent nearly half an hour exploring game highlights I didn't even plan to watch. It was a nice distraction, but also a little frustrating when I realized I had wasted time. I also appreciated that the discount applied automatically to these extra packages, which made checking out feel effortless. What I liked the most was knowing I was getting a good deal without having to hunt for promo codes or worry about complicated eligibility requirements. Where it struggled a bit for me was that some of the limited time offers weren't super clear about when they'd expire, so I had to double check the details to make sure I wouldn't get charged full price unexpectedly. I wish the interface handled the expiration dates a bit more prominently, so you could see exactly how long the discount would last. Overall, I think this setup is perfect for anyone in the military or a first responder who watches a decent amount of live TV or wants access to things like the NFL Sunday Ticket without paying full price. It might feel a little confusing if you're new to ID.me verification, but once you get past that, it's smooth sailing. Personally, I'd keep using it because the discount genuinely makes a noticeable difference, and the service itself is solid enough that I don't feel like I'm missing out compared to other streaming options. If you're eligible, it's definitely worth checking out.